Taking your special class. This is a interview class like Jan Study Point. They are the four leaders sitting in front of us. First, Congress, member of the Congress like Sonia Gandhi, and next BJP, PM Narendra Modi, and Aam Aadmi Party, Mr. Kejriwal, and our most important part, Mr. Anna Hazare. They are the sitting for leaders, and there are many also reporters sitting, and they will ask many topic for our politics and our social problems. Then now our reporter will start for asking many topic now.
Firstly, I want to ask from you that what do you think that there is so many homeless person in your country, yes or not?
Yes.
Now, how can you suggest these parties that they will have to provide the shelters to them because they do many of the promises before the election and nobody complete their promises. But how can you suggest them that you will have to provide the shelter on them and you will have to try to provide and fulfill the promises which you do for us?
I think the parties have to make any promise to government before they have to give some people to have shelter for their trust, through which trust can make in between the peoples. And after that, when they win the election, they have to make more shelters for homeless persons who are not able to buy their homes, and who are not have to sleep here and there in tracks or in roads or in footpaths. I think these parties have to make such type of shelters like ashrams, like NGOs for to make and engage and motivate some people to do work for their through which they can earn their self and their livelihood, and they can live in their shelters at rent, or they have to encourage him by making by making by making and making such schemes which are for employment schemes to these people.
But in my thinking, as you said that they will have to provide the shelter to them, but in my thinking, before the elections, they say to the three main parties always say to everyone that I will provide you shelter, I will provide you many of the things. I know the electricity bill, I provide many of the things, but after election they lost the hopes of many of the person who have no shelter. What about those who wants to have so much hope about from their parties, but they don't?
You know that government provide lots of people flats and shelters, but they are so mean that they would rent on their shelters. Like BJP, like Aam Aadmi Party, and like Congress, they will also provide shelters, but the poor peoples get their shelters on the rent and earn their livelihood, and they don't want to work. They only have to earn livelihood by doing any work. Like Aam Aadmi Party, after winning you are in Delhi, and we know that after 2015 election, the electricity bill will go down. The electricity will conclude as a slab rate. After, like to consume 126 unit, you have to pay the 4 rupees. After the 126 unit, you have to give 4.50 rupees, and after that so much and so much and about 20,000 liters of water if you consume daily in monthly, sorry, you have to pay no bill of water.
So what do you think about that? That you are doing the such things for the poor? I want to ask from you all.
Our party is doing that work. Whenever we are come in the center, after that we are started the Jan Dhan Yojana to opening the bank account for the persons because the government is provide to a loan that person like Mudra Yojana. It is that Yojana means to every person get 10 lakh rupees from the bank from a loan to showing that some property only showing that property not taken that like registry to the bank. Only they give that show that the registry. So after that they will get some loan. So after that they will for house.
Our party done all this work not only for the poor. We are done only for the people of the Delhi because we have only power in Delhi. So we have done all the things which we have to do, and we have done like electricity bills, low electricity bills, 20,000 liters free water consumption for the poor people and also for the middle class, and those who have the capability of paying the bills and the water bills, we provide that they will paid, and this is very helpful for the poor.
I think your party is doing something for the people, but all the other parties are not doing as like something which people want and people get that facility.
How can you say
How
all
can you
parties
say
are
that?
not doing? In fact, whenever our Congress party wins, we do everything by remembering every person.
I don't think
No,
I
we
am
are not
that
agree.
one.
We are not
We
agree
always
from
do
the
this.
statements.
Give me one example.
No, all
If we have
Rahul Gandhi
we
only
had
done
But you have done.
We are-
You are stealing just. You don't want to let people work. You are stealing every shop, every factory, everything.
We are not
What about
selling the
that?
Delhi. The government is selling that properties.
we are
because
saying
it is
because
under the sale.
it was made on the government's property, because this property is of government and the people are living there illegally. That's why the government sealed the
Why
property.
does it always happen when BJP is in when BJP rules our country?
Because
Why?
I think most of time Congress is ruled.
So what? Congress never did this, okay? They always provide
because they want
employment.
only the votes.
They provide only danges.
How can you say this? Even our Delhi Metro had been started by Congress. That Ladli Yojana
But
also
it
had been started by
wasn't
Congress.
finished yet. And this
Who
was
finished it? Your Aam Aadmi Party.
no, BJP party continued it because the government in UP are not allowed to complete it in UP, to run away the metro in UP. Then after the
How can you say
election,
that? Metro is passed in UP, in Atla, in Sahyawar, in Ghaziabad.
nowadays
In Lucknow.
in last few years,
About 2 years, work is done, work at progress.
But
of
our
metro.
party
Even Akhilesh
this
Yadav
work
also
this work
provided
has to
funding.
this work has to be done in
It was not
2007.
completed by BJP. It was completed by Akhilesh Yadav. BJP just want to
When the
take all
Congress-
the credit.
When the
But
Congress
if-
in the
if-
party, when the Congress in the ruling party, the
But I will then put
the
it-
metro work has to be done
Doing
in
very slow.
2007, and this is not yet done.
How can you say this is not yet done? It is. How can you say your party can complete it?
But
the
are you
work
doing-
which need to be completed in 10 days, how can be completed in 2 days? It's not possible for anyone.
I have a question also from
started.
him. What are you doing for middle class people except the electricity bills and water bill? Except this, how many mohalla clinics were open? How many schools were open? How many colleges were
How
open?
many-
So many
Okay.
schools are open for the people.
But
How
here
many
mention
girls-
students.
girls-
How many? You promised that 500 schools were opened in Delhi, but none of them were open, and you have promised about 20 colleges in Delhi which were open at about in a 5-year plan, but no, none of them is open. Mohalla clinics were
But they are
established.
in progress. They are in progress.
How much progress you have? You win the party. Your party is winning the election in 2015, and it's about 2018. In 3 years, you have only done work. No,
Yes,
no result will
done
come. No result will
The
come.
result will come after the
After 5 years, after